In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in this Kia Sportage key fob. This device is used on 2021 Sportages. It's the newest device that they use. And it takes one of these 2032 batteries. So I'll show you how to open this thing up and put a new battery in there. It's really easy. First step is just to push on this button. We want to come in to this area where the key was just housed, and we will be pushing up to remove this back section of plastic. So we can take a flathead screwdriver, and if you can see actually in there, there's a little seam, a little edge between this piece of plastic and the one under it. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver up against that area. You'll feel it kind of stick into place. And now you gently push, wiggling. It's better to use a thinner flathead, and we're just going to wiggle until it kind of slides in there like that. From here, we just push up, and you can also make kind of a prying motion here, and this thing will pop right off, and it's not damaging it. It's a pretty durable, flexible piece of plastic. You just want to pry it off gently, and once you have that free, set it to the side. From here, we're going to be removing these screwdrivers with a precision screwdriver. You just need a Phillips head that's small enough to work with these screws. If you don't have something like this, you can pick up a set of these precision screwdrivers on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and I will leave a link down in the description if you'd like to get those. We just want to pull these little screws out and set them carefully to the side. You don't want to lose them. Take your time and just unscrew these things one by one so that we can remove this little piece of plastic here and get to the battery beneath it. There we go. Now pull this off and set it to the side. Here we have our 2032 battery. So what I like to do now is use this flathead screwdriver or something thin enough to get into this little area. You can see we're going to push in between the battery and the wall of plastic, just kind of wiggling in from the top. And once you get in there, you're just gonna pry the battery out a little bit, and it will pop right out. I'll show you that one more time. So we're coming in from the top. Gently pushing into that area, and this thing will just fly right out. Okay, go ahead, take a new 2032 battery. Make sure this positive side goes face up and click it into place just like that. Of course, now we need to put this piece of plastic back on. So take your precision screwdriver and just screw these things in. You don't need to do them too tight. Just like a finger tightness, just to hold this piece of plastic down, just like that. And last one. And once you have all these in there, you can just, literally just click the back piece of plastic back into place. Line it all up, click it down, make sure it all looks good and secure, and you can put this back and you're ready to go. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know in the comment section or give us a like. And for any more information on how to change the batteries for key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.